Document B, the Athenian Constitution. The following excerpt comes from the Athenian Constitution, written by the Greek philosopher Aristotle between 330 and 322 BCE. Aristotle was a leading Greek philosopher of the time and is credited with writing accounts of the constitutions of 170 different Greek states. At the time that we are speaking, the people have secured their control of the state and established the constitution which exists at the present day. The democracy has made itself master of everything and administers everything by its votes in the assembly and by the law courts. The present state of the constitution is as follows. The franchise is open to all men who are of citizen birth by both parents. They are enrolled as citizens at the age of 18. On the occasion of their enrollment, the current citizens give their votes first on whether the new candidates appear to be of the age set by the law. If the candidates are not of the right age, they are dismissed back into the ranks of the boys. Secondly, the current citizens give their votes on whether the candidate is free-born and has two citizen parents as the laws require. If they decide that he is not a free man, he can appeal to the law courts. If the court decides he has no right to be enrolled as a citizen, he is sold by Athens as a slave. If he wins his case, he has the right to be enrolled as a citizen without further question. All the magistrates that are responsible for the ordinary routine of administration are elected by lot in the assembly. However, the military treasurer, the commissioners of the festival fund, and the superintendent of the water supply are elected by vote. All military officers are also elected by vote. Source: Aristotle, the Athenian Constitution, 330 to 322 BCE.